bafethu. So ngihambile ngaya laphana elento lena AMT ngiyowenza i-training yokufaka i-epoxy na certificate ngenhla na certificate in real life. Alright, so was it worth it? Impendulo yami ithi yebo, it was worth it. Okay, because kuningi engikufundile khona ebengingafiki. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi when I made the first video into engathi ibalulekile kumina was ukufunda ukuthi kulungiselwa kanjani ukuyifaka and kumixwa kanjani mase kumixwa upende. So lezo zinto lezo ngiyifundile khona and ngampela it wasn't lento lena engangiyicabanga. Right. So when you see ama-video amaningi like on TikTok, you see abantu sebefaka upende phansi, but you don't see ukuthi there's a prep that goes on. Like you don't see ukuthi kumele ufile ama-cracks phansi, you don't see ukuthi kumele ugijime iphansi nge-grinder so that lizoba level and smooth bese uba ikhani faka ilento i-epoxy yakho. So nobody tells you ukuthi khona i-base coat, khona i-top coat, khona i-flaking bese kuba khona isila efakwayo. So yizo zonke izinto, what the heck, yizo zonke izinto lezo ozoyifunda uma sewena kuzo uma ususulaphayana. You don't know ukuthi khona izinto abuma-mixing ratio, awazi ukuthi khona ama-cleaning products maphi, for what purposes, nani, you know. So yizo zonke izinto ozofika uyithole laphana, okay. But otherwise ngizokwenza i-video sengiyifaka le shandisi lena egaraji le-oledi lapha ekhaya, okay. But lokho ngizokwenza in around December kanjena because yeah manje ngisenza i-training ye-electricity, so quite busy this November. All right, so anyways guys, please do your own research.